Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park and today we are going to take a look at the Xiaomi Mi 360 security camera. Let's get started. It comes in a standard orange Mi box and inside the box we get the micro USB cable, a power adapter, a user manual, the camera itself and the mount to mount the camera on the wall. That's about the box contents. Talking about the body of the camera, it's made up of hard plastic and glass. On the front of the camera it has the lens itself, an LED indicator, a microphone, and on the back of the camera it has a speaker. In the bottom there is a micro USB input as well as a reset button. There is also a micro SD input below the lens. Pairing the camera with your smartphone is also quite simple. Download the Mi Home app, connect your camera to a power source, connect the camera to the internet via the Mi Home app. It'll show a QR code which you need to scan by showing the QR code to the camera and you're good to go. Talking about the lens, it's a fisheye lens with approximately 130-degree viewing angle. The camera can do a 360 pan and approx a 180-degree tilt. This means that unlike all the other CCTV cameras, most of your place will be easily covered by the camera. Micro SD cards from 16GB to 64GB are supported. If you don't want to fill your micro SD card with a ton of recordings, you can use the motion sensor which is built inside the camera, which will record only when there is a motion in front of the camera. Else the camera will be just in live mode and it will not record all the stuff. We can also talk to the person standing on the other side of the camera while we are anywhere in the world. We just need to be connected to the internet and we can talk through the app and the camera. I like most of the things of this camera, but I didn't like one thing as soon as I started using this camera, which is this camera can be paired only to one device. I think that this can be fixed using a software update which will fix the problem. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't, comment down your views and thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe for more such content. The full review of this camera will be coming soon. Stay tuned and stay subscribed. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.